Hi, my name is Devin Patterson. I'm an Earth Sciences student here at Laurentian University. I'm in my third year and I'm from Hamilton, Ontario. A little bit about me, I moved into Earth Sciences from Chemical Engineering Technology. I've graduated from Mohawk College in 2019 and worked for Environment Canada in 2018 for the National Hydrology Research Lab in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. And I currently work for the Ontario Geological Survey while I also go to school here in the Willikers Miller Center. So geology is a field-based science, which was really something that I'm very interested in. I've worked in analytical labs before, and geology really offers you the opportunity to be either field-based or academically based and lab-based. So it really gave me the opportunity to learn more, not only about chemistry, physics, biology, and our natural world, but also it offered me the opportunity to make more money, as well as be part of the resource economy here in Canada, and generally enjoy my work experience and work life. Sudbury is a mining mecca, and it is it's placed in the Superior Province, which offers a unique opportunity to explore the outcrops and the rocks that are around us. There's not really many places like Laurentian. You can go outside and you can study exactly what you're looking at in the classroom and walk outside and see exactly what you're learning about. Every summer I have basically a co-op experience where the last 2 summers I've spent in Temagami, Ontario, doing field science with the OGS, spending time riding around on ATVs, going around in boats, on lakes, all day in the sun, and it offers you an awesome opportunity to travel the world, not only see our natural world, but also the opportunity to explore is everywhere. I had the opportunity to travel down to South America, Chile, South America, where we went and looked at and explored the mining districts there for copper porphyries and epithermal deposits. There's not many other programs like that where you have the opportunity to go out and do things like that.